Hey guys, welcome. So today, or whatever day you guys are watching this, we're going to be doing some new food content. This is kind of my little dedicated area that the wife has given me in the kitchen. We got lots of knives, scissors, not sure what we're going to use those for. But anyways, we'll hope that you'll watch the entire video and be sure to subscribe at the end, and we'll do a 5-second countdown starting now. Alright guys, so let's make some Caesar salad. We're gonna get everything prepped. Get our hearts of romaine here. We got our assistant Snogo trying to eat everything. So we use 2 hearts for this. I just like to use my hands and get it, get the heart of the hearts. That's going to be more than enough for what we're making tonight. After that, we're going to grab our croutons. Any ones will do, but some people will swear by one type or another. I've got the lettuce still sitting on my hand. You guys can just easily layer this in here. No big deal. You can always give it a little push. A little bit of pepper. Just to taste, not really too much here. Some Parmesan, ideally shaved instead of the crushed stuff. Let's see, we'll just be a little bit, there it goes, flying all over the place. And I'd say this to taste, but you probably should add a lot of this. Alright, and that's going to be, can't believe I had the water in the background the whole time. That's going to be the prep for the Caesar. Alright, next we're going to do the chicken. Any chicken will do. We got ours from Publix. Boom, boom, and boom. Go ahead and rinse these off real quick. Get these laid out. Alright, we're ready to do the chicken. Alright, so we're just going to start off with some basic sea salt. Sometimes I'll use Himalayan salt, but today we'll just use some. We'll do this kind of quick while he's hungry. And we'll do both sides. Get some crushed pepper going. A little garlic salt, never hurt anyone. A little bit of oregano. Get a lemon here. I don't think we'll need both. And we get some nice lemon juice going, all natural. And then just to bring it all together, we'll probably do that side again. Flip it. And then we'll repeat. So we'll get the pepper. Salt. I think we'll hit the other side with pepper again, but not the salt. I think we'll be good on that. Garlic salt. Ooh. That was a lot. Flip. We'll get one more on the other side. So I'm just gonna do garlic salt in that. It should be fine. Put these in a baggie, and those will be ready to season. All right, time to prep the steak. Today we have top sirloin, the fillets, pretty juicy, a little bit thick, so we'll have to cook them perfectly. So wifey doesn't get mad at us. We'll have to cook these perfectly. A little medium rare, that's what we like the most. All right, start off with some salt. I think this time I'm gonna do it both sides and then flip it. Got a little towel off to the side that I can deal with. All right, good on the salt. Let's get the pepper in there. I love pepper, so we're gonna do quite a bit. All right, flip those over. Garlic salt, can't forget that, on both sides. And yes, my favorite, oregano. Just gives a little bit of an earthy tone, doesn't hurt. Not sure that that's common in steak. Maybe we'll make it a thing. And there we're good. Let this marinate. Not really marinate. Let the season soak in. Flip, flip, flip. Pound, 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 pound. And we are good. Alright guys, grill is heated the right side to 380. We'll throw the chicken on there. Got our chicken with lemon, pepper, salt, bunch of good stuff. Throw that on the grill. Perfect sound. We'll leave the lemons in the bag for later. And then a little bit cooler at 350. Throw the steaks on. These are top sirloin fillets. Make sure we get those laid out. We'll come back in about 5 minutes and we'll flip these. Alright, let's see where we're at. Alright, look at this. Chicken looking good. Alright guys, we'll cut this chicken up. Alright guys, time to finish the salad. We can take the chicken, put that in there, and get this all mixed up. Get it mixed up. Alright, so we'll add the croutons. We already added the chicken. A few more of those. A little bit more Parmesan. Just a little bit of that. And then we'll do the Caesar dressing, the best part. Alright. Good amount of that. A handful if it came out. Alright. We'll just mix all that up. We'll just use this to mix it. I'll get this put in the individual bowls. Make it look all good. There we go for that one. And there we go for that one. Alright, now the best part. We'll make sure that the steaks are perfectly medium rare. This should be that perfect pink. You guys can see that. Perfect pink. I think they're all perfect. This one might be a little bit more medium. A little bit more medium. Either way, these are going to be really good. I'll get them plated, we'll take some pictures, but that's that.